Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a stunning food poster in Canva, and we'll do it step by step. Super easy, even if you're new to Canva. First, after logging in, click on Create a Design and select Poster. Canva has tons of templates, so pick one that fits your food theme, something bright and appetizing. Next, let's customize the background. You can upload your own photo of food or pick a free background from Canva. Make sure the colors match your theme. It really makes the poster pop. Now add your text, click Text, and choose a style you like. Type your headline, maybe the name of the dish, or a catchy slogan. Adjust the font size, color, and placement so it stands out without covering the main image. You can also add fun graphics or stickers like icons of utensils, food items, or patterns. Just drag them onto your poster and arrange them tastefully. Don't overdo it. Keep it balanced. Finally, double-check everything: alignment, colors, readability. When it looks perfect, click Download and choose your format like PNG or PDF. And there you go. Your food poster is ready to share or print. And that's it. You just created a mouth-watering food poster in Canva, easy and quick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future design tips.